Hi, in today's lesson we are looking at the use of the relative pronoun whose to introduce a relative clause. We use whose to indicate possession by people, animals and things, and it's used instead of the possessive determiners my, your, his, her, its, our and their before nouns. For example, Phil works with that other man whose name I can't remember. The name belongs to the man, so we use whose and not who his name I can't remember. We usually use whose to refer to people. For example, if we wanted to join these two sentences to have one sentence and a relative clause, we would do this. So the two sentences, is she the girl and her bag was stolen, becomes, is she the girl whose bag was stolen, and not, is she the girl who her bag was stolen. Whose shows that the bag belongs to the girl. Whose can also be used after nouns for organisations. For example, Unilever is a company whose products are everywhere. Or, that's the club whose coach was fired. Whose can also be used after nouns for places. For example, Napa is in a region whose wines are famous. Or come to Jamaica, whose people welcome you. We can also use whose to talk about things that are part of other things. For example, if we wanted to join these two sentences to have one sentence and a relative clause, draw a circle, its radius is 2 centimetres, would become draw a circle whose radius is 2 centimetres. Here the radius is part of the circle. We can also use whose to talk about things that belong to other things. For example, they live in a small town whose name I've forgotten. Not they live in a small town which name I've forgotten. The name belongs to the small town. Instead of whose before a noun, we can use of which after a noun when we talk about things. For example, it's a small town, the name of which I've forgotten. Or draw a circle, the radius of which is 2 centimetres. In informal uses, we can put which or that at the beginning and the noun plus of at the end of a sentence. For example, they live in a small town, which or that I've forgotten the name of. In formal uses, of which is sometimes used before the noun. Draw a circle of which the radius is 2 centimetres. Okay, so now it's your turn. Join the two sentences to make one sentence with whose and a relative clause. An orphan is a child and his or her parents are dead. This becomes an orphan is a child whose parents are dead. Remember, whose is usually used to refer to people. The oak is a kind of tree and the wood of it is strong and durable. This becomes the oak is a kind of tree whose wood is strong and durable, or the oak is a kind of tree the wood of which is strong and durable, or the oak is a kind of tree of which the wood is strong and durable. Finally, we passed an old place and large flags were hanging from its upper windows. You know what to do. Write your answer down below and I promise to give you feedback on your answer. Remember to like and share this lesson and subscribe and hit the bell so you are notified when new lessons come out. So that's it for now. Take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.